Today we're gonna unbox the Tamashii Nations, the store exclusive S.H.Figuarts Super Saiyan Goku that it's exclusively to the Tamashii Nations store in New York City. Let's not waste time and let's get this figure out of the box, shall we? All right, let's get him out of the box. And for $50, you get this S.H.Figuarts. It's about, as bare bones as it can be. Again, you're gonna have 4 sets of hands, 2 head sculpts, and 2 different hair sculpts as well. This figure is they're using the 2.0 S.H.Figuarts body, which to be honest, personally, I think it's kind of dated now. But I mean, if you really want to have another Goku in your collection, and if you're a completist, this is, this needs to be in your collection, of course. Again, this is a New York Tamashii Nations store exclusive. So the only way you can get it is by, walking into the New York store and, buy it. It's around $50 plus taxes. And yeah, so far out of the box, the figure looks, like any other Goku, except for this this transparent type of material that they're using, this plastic. It's not fully transparent. It's barely, it has some shade, it has some paint on the pants, as you can see right here. But the transparency, it's, it's some very little parts on this side of the pants and the chest. There's some sort of transparency, but the hair itself, it's, yeah, let me see if I can get even closer so you can see it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's shiny, it's somewhat transparent as well, and it's nice for, to have another Goku, I guess. Again, me personally, I'm finally done collecting 2.0 Gokus, but again, I wanted to show you guys how this one looks and feels. And let's get started with the articulation, shall we? Let's start from the head. You can go this much down. You can rotate this much. Don't try to push it, because then, well, you can go all the way, but I'm sure Goku doesn't do that. Anyway, then on the ab crunch, you get this much of articulation going down. Again, there's ways to mod it, this area here on the inside, but it will take another video for me to actually show you guys. But there's some videos in YouTube that you can find, and they'll show you how to do it. And the arms go this high, this much, almost like a T. And you have some, I think there's some butterfly shoulders. There you go. That's how far it goes front on the arms. And then you have a bend on the elbow, this much. And you have some decent articulation on the wrist. You can go this high, and then you can just swivel or rotate. I don't know how to call it. Okay, and then on the waist down, the legs go this far up, and then the knee bends this far, and then you have the boots, which just came off. You can put it back in, and it just rotates. Again, this is very dated for me, this area right here, actually the whole figure, but this one here, they cause us a lot of problems trying to pose it. Anyway, just pointing that out. And then you have this toe articulation that goes this much, this far. Let me see if I can get closer, right there. Okay, so that's all the articulation that this figure has. Again, I just wish that Tamashii Nations will hopefully next year will release a 3.0 official Goku figure, because this guy really needs it. Personally, I'm getting into this Goku fatigue, and we just need an update for that. Okay, so let me show you the rest of the accessories. For accessories, we have 4 sets of hands, and this is the open hands. Then we have what I call the Kamehameha hands. And now we have the martial artist hands. And at last we have the instant teletransportation hands. For faceplates, we have 3. I already showed you the neutral one. And the second one that I'm showing you right here is the angry faceplate. And the last one is the yelling faceplate. And the last we have the hair sculpt, and this is when he powers up at the end of the dragonballz intro. And probably the reason why a lot of people are gonna get this S.H.Figuarts, which actually it looks really nice now that I have it on this Goku. Let me see if I can put it full body. It looks really good. I'm probably gonna have this in my collection, like just with this head sculpt. So yeah, I'm probably changing my mind now. I mean, again, I already complained about the body, but the hair sculpt on this setup, oh man, it brings me a lot of nostalgia just by looking at it. Okay, so we're at the last part of this video, and before I leave, I wanted to show you that since I'm gonna display this Goku with this head sculpt, you know, I have an extra one to use, which is, you know, the one that he came with. So I want to try out and see if it's on any of these 5 Gokus. Okay, that way you have a you know, if you're gonna get this guy, at least you will know for sure which of these 5 Gokus this head sculpt will fit into. All right, let's try the Saiyan Race on Earth. And I'm not gonna edit it or anything. I'm just gonna show you, you know, straight up how I do it. That way, you know, I mean, you can see that it's actually doable, and you know, I'm not gonna edit it. So here goes. This is the Saiyan Race on Earth body. Let me put it together again. Understand that let me focus now. Understand that there's gonna be some skin color differences, but I mean, if you're just gonna use it for toy photography or just for your own display, I mean, it really doesn't matter. It's gonna look good regardless. Let me see if I can do a close-up. That's as much as I can do. Let me see. Nope, that's about it. What do you guys think? It looks really good. All right, let's try the Awakening. I believe that's what it's called. I don't remember. It's been a while since I searched this guy. I know they re-released him as an event exclusive too for New York as well. I think it was last year or 2 years ago. I don't remember, but you know, you get the idea. If you don't have the original one, get the event exclusive if you can. So it does fit too, huh? It looks, let me see, put it all the way together. I mean, I'm sure that all of them are gonna fit nicely with them. Oh man, this looks really good. Again, there's some skin color differences. It won't be noticeable here because I have it well adjusted to a nice color balance, but there is some of it, like it's just very, very small amount of color difference. But yeah, it fits nicely. All right, let me take it out. I'm just gonna put them on the side. And then we have the Super Saiyan Blue from the Broly movie. I'm just gonna see if I can just put it without taking out the faceplates. Ah, there you go. So much easier. And here we have it. He looks, again, it looks really nice. Actually, this is the body that has the closest color scheme to it. So this will be perhaps the best body to use it with, in my opinion. So, and then we have the one that just fell down. I'll just put this one down too. This is the full power Super Saiyan Goku. This is the one that not many people liked when it came out. I know that Tamashii did a re-release, and I think they did some improvements, but I don't have the restock one or the re-release one. So let's see if I can put it inside here. It's kind of hard. Sorry guys. I would edit it and do it off camera, but I wanted to show you that it's actually like possible. I want you guys to hear that, you know, the head sculpt going in the neck pack. That way you guys confirm that this guy actually fits on this figure. So this looks nice as well. I should have done that on the other ones, but like just showing you the back, that's what I meant. But I mean, you get the idea. It looks really good. It looks really good. I mean, you saw the other three. They also look awesome. So you have options, you know. If you're not able to get Saiyan Race on Earth, if you got the full power Super Saiyan body or the Super Saiyan Blue, those two are $35 bodies. Also the Goku Race on Earth, he's $35. So I mean, either of those. The one that is going to be expensive is the Awakening Goku. All right, and at last, the Super Saiyan God body. This is one of the most recent ones that got released. So you're probably gonna find this guy at a Target or a Walmart or any other like online stores. And let's see if it fits. It's a good fit. And again, they fit and they don't feel any like loose, or they just feel right. I mean, you can see that it's like they won't fall off. So this one, I mean, what do you guys think? I mean, they all look great, but I guess you might be able to pick up certain details that are probably not, because I'm recording and my eyes are on the screen and also on the figure, and you know, I probably won't be able to catch any of the details. But this is the last figure that will fit, so I don't know what else to tell you guys. You have options. If you get this guy, he's $50. Let me see if I can focus him. He's $50 on New York plus taxes, and then they'll give you an extra head sculpt. If you have another Goku laying around and you really like this head sculpt, I mean, you can have the Goku behind this guy, pose as on the Dragon Ball Z intro ending with the rest of the figures, and then you have an extra head sculpt that you can use on another Goku and use it for another display. So hey, it gives you options. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this content, I usually don't do that many long videos because, like I said, it just takes too long for me to do them. It's a lot of planning, so I try to do them sporadically here and there. But if you like this content, please comment, like, and subscribe to this channel if you really like it. Again, I do shorts as like quick reviews, but if you like to see this full long video content, please let me know down in the comments. Again, thank you, and I hope to see you later. All right, bye.